Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent, and if you do enjoy the videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Crypto investors bet on XRP while the broader market struggles. I have some news, some rumors. Well. I got a lot to talk about today, right? There's a lot to cover off. There's quite a few things happening behind the scenes. There's some rumors, strong rumors circulating around. So let's unpack. So XRP has found strong support on Monday as investors are looking down the road and a favorable outcome with the SEC to support a new all-time high. So what is really going on here, and what are some of the key things that are happening, right? Like this came out about 12 hours ago or so, is that as the bull market continues and as it evolves, right? As we get edged closer and closer and closer to going towards the peak, right? We're still far away from it. But this is the XRP time, right? So we've had all the others that have pumped a little bit. We've had some, like your Phantoms and your Avalanche and your Terrors and all that. But this quarter coming is XRP quarter, right? This is the time. And while everyone's been sitting around laughing about their gains and what's been going on and what's been happening, now is showtime. Now it's this quarter coming is XRP quarter, right? It's going to be massive. It's going to be explosive. And you can tell already by the news, right? So the news is turning pro. It's turning more favorable towards XRP. And that's good. This is good. You want the media to talk about it because ultimately the big money comes from whales. So they're now starting to play the narrative that XRP is a good thing to bet on. Put your ratio, risk to reward ratios. They're saying, yeah, this could be a good thing. And that's really good news. Now, Ripple's Brad Garlinghouse slams the SEC in XRP lawsuit anniversary. Of course, right? It's been a year. It's been 1 year. It's insane. But it's been a year. And the battle is just beginning. So there's a lot that is going to be happening in January. And we're going to see this all the way to the end. I don't think Ripple's going to back down. I think SEC might back down and settle. But I think Ripple will go all the way to get the legal clarity that it deserves. It's worth so much, not just to Ripple, but for the entire industry. It's going to be massive. That January 19th date could not come soon enough, in my opinion. Now, the market bets on Ripple, as I've mentioned, right? So, all major news headlines, market bets on Ripple as XRP continue to drive XRP back towards the dollar. Like I said, news, and the news being positive is really good, right? So, you want the news to get behind Ripple and XRP. So, Ripple long-term investors bet on XRP, expect biased lawsuit against SEC to succeed. So, again, this is now the third news website to publish the exact same kind of narrative. And like I said, when 3 different news websites publish very similar headlines, it's all calculated, right? It's all made on purpose. And I think it's going to be great. Like, Ripple defies all odds and posts a 13% weekly gains. It's all coming. Like I said, patience. And patience will be rewarded. Now, the Canadian healthcare company dumps over 30 billion SHIB, labels Shiba Inu as a scam, threatens to sue its founders. Now, I don't know about you, but what's a Canadian healthcare company holding 30 billion SHIB tokens? That's the real question. Of course, it's a meme coin. What are you guys doing holding a meme coin and expecting it to be any good? Like, it's terrible. Terrible, right? But this is how early we are in crypto. Now, this came out yesterday. It's the Ripple drop from the 2021 Apex XRPL Developer Summit. I do highly encourage you to watch it. So you go on Ripple's website, you can find that. It's really good. Now, the entire video goes for 12 minutes, but like I said, 12 worthwhile minutes. And you also got the writing in here as well to sum up a little bit about what happened, but watch the video, right? 12 minutes, check it out. watch it. It's going to be worthwhile spending it to learn about what happened during the Apex XRPL Developer Summit. Very, very good news. Now, Visa finalizes $930 million acquisition of Ripple Partner Currency Cloud. Boom! Fantastic news, right? Like, what just happened? That is phenomenal. This is where mass adoption is coming at a very, very fast rate, and not just of XRP, but of course of the entire industry. And that's a big purchase by Visa, and I'm so happy that they did it to a Ripple Partner Currency Cloud. That is phenomenal. Now, some of the reasons why the price is pumping at the moment is that there are rumors circulating about the Doge father, Elon Musk, looking in the direction of XRP. Market players are optimistic for this reason. So the XRP community is hoping to receive support from Elon Musk. Musk shares the XRP community's dislike for antics of the SEC. While the support from Musk is unlikely, it could be very impactful on XRP. Honestly, I'm going to give you my 2 cents as the crypto serpent. I don't want this guy anywhere near this asset. Like, I do not... I respect him on so many levels, on so many things that he does, his work ethic and everything that he's done. But when it comes to the crypto market, he has shown time and time again that he will use it, abuse it, squeeze everything he can out of it. And there's nothing else in it for him. Why else would he pump meme coins? So in my opinion, I think it's stupid that the market is reacting to these rumors. And I do not think that anything at all is going to come from it. But again, that's just one person's opinion. Now, Binance finally completes a Flare Networks SGB airdrop. Gee, you took your time, Binance. What is wrong with you people? And we're going to start to talk about where we're heading, where we're going, and what does that look like. But let's jump into Otani. Now, as we begin to look at the indicators, what we're seeing right now is very positive, right? So we're outside of the Bollinger Band. We're sitting at 8.27% up for the day. MACD grinding, RSI heading towards the overbought, believe it or not, right? Fantastic. So good to see. Now, you can see here on the hourly that we went all the way up to 97, came back down to 96, and now we're going back up again. Like, again, for the hourly, I don't look at the MACD and I don't look at the RSI. When you look at the 4 hour, we were outside of the Bollinger Band. We know that when we are outside of the Bollinger Band, we're going to come back in. And that's exactly what we did. We came back in. So we've gone past the 89 cents support zone. And now we're trying to smash through the $1. So that's the next stop. And you can see here on the 12 hour, look at that volume. Right? Look at the MACD. Look at the RSI. So good to see. And encouraging at the moment, and right, let's ride this wave. You know, let's keep pushing. You know, I mean, we were still, you know, a little bit behind some of the others today. You know, like we got some at 14%, 15% that have gone up. So we're trailing behind them. But hey, a low of 87 cents and a high of 97 cents so far at the time of making this, I'll take that any day today, right? So it's all about step-by-step approach. Let's have a look at some charts. Now, as we begin to look, I wanna start off with this one. Now, before I forget, thank you all so very much. We just cracked over the 39,000 subscribers. We're on our way to 40,000. Oh my God, I can't believe it, right? I cannot believe how much things have changed from February 26 until now. Absolutely incredible. 39,000 of you. I have no words. I have no words. Thank you all so very much. This is what's going on right now. So we could be heading towards $1. We might hit a roadblock, come back down towards 90 and then go off again. But this pattern will finish. And it will finish sooner rather than later. And so keep an eye out on that. But we got to break out of here. And once we break out of this, we're going to start the party. In regards to certain trend lines, we are already starting to break them, which is really good. But of course, $1 and $1.21 are very important before we go to that infamous $1.30 and above $1.30, which you've heard me say so many times. The roadmap, as far as, you know, going towards $2 and beyond, you know, could look something along these lines. But don't be fooled about this $1 just yet, because we could be going to $1, then come back down, and then we really start again. So just be mindful of that. So something along these lines. Now, if we were to just continue to move up, then we would probably see $1.20 consolidate back down to $1 flat, and then we start off and go into $2 territory. So that is something very likely. Now, for short term, not that there's anything wrong with short term thinking, but short term, right? Take profit one at $1.48, take profit two at $1.92, take profit three at $2.36, $2.80 and $3.24. If you're a day trader, once we go above $1.30 and consolidate above $1.30, it's really, really looking good, like from a day trading perspective. Now, it's not financial advisor, I'm not a financial advisor, but those there would be, if I was a day trader, day trading XRP, that's what I would be looking at and set up my take profits at those levels. Now, of course, we're going to begin the journey towards 260, 350 to 360, consolidate a little bit, then go above into the $4.20 to $5.20 territory, consolidate for a little bit before we go into double-digit territory. So I think that we are on the cusp of beginning to really, really move. Should the market go bear for any reason, then we would retest 60 cents again. Highly unlikely, but I do want to mention it because you just never ever know with all these variants and all these world economy things happening. But I think that your chance was around those 70 cents when we were in the 68, 70 cents area. And I think now we're really going to start to fly, and fly we will. Now, if you did learn something new today, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. As always, thank you, and I look forward to see you on the next one.